Welcome, dear viewers. Today we are interacting with each other because of technology. Technology affects the way individuals think, learn, and communicate. It plays a vital role in the society, but at the same time has both positive and negative impacts. Therefore, IT Fest is being organized in DPS Mandla Road to acknowledge the importance of information technology. In the fest, students enthusiastically participated in read, research, and PPT presentation on sensitive topics like cybersecurity, social media, futuristic topics like artificial intelligence, machine learning, Internet of Things. Even career options in travel tourism and banking insurance were also discussed. Students very well presented pros and cons of each topic using online platform. So let's get updated straight from our websites.
Greetings of the day. Today I'll take you through the career options available in tourism industry. Tourism as an industry has widespread avenues, so you just need to know what you're doing, love it, believe in yourself, and success would be yours. Choosing a career might be a tedious task, and you might have a number of queries like which course to go for, which institute to join, will all my hard work pay off at the end? So here's to answer to all the queries out there. You will have ample benefits for your hard work like global opportunities, transferable skills, versatility, and of course, a handsome salary and job satisfaction. Career options include travel agent, officer, consultant, airline staff, tourist guide, tourism manager, and transport officer as well. There are prominent recruitment agencies like Cox and Kings, Thomas Cook, Make My Trip, and others. The key is to opt for the right tourism course. There are many courses available, bachelor courses for travel and tourism, and post-graduation courses for tourism and hotel management. Finally, to speak of, there are more than 800 colleges and institutes to shape your career. Popular ones are IHM, IGNOU, and others. These courses are very beneficial. They will allow you to gain many skills like presentation skills, the ability to work on deadlines, leadership, teamwork, the ability to research, problem solving, IT skills, and communication skills as well. In a nutshell, travel and tourism industry serves many job options. With a degree of travel and tourism, a person can be financially and emotionally settled. At the end, I remain most grateful for the rapt attention with which you sat through this presentation. I hope that this information might have widened your knowledge regarding the career options in tourism industry. Thank you for tuning in till the end.
Good morning. My name is Akshadu and I study in class 9th. Today I am going to give presentation on why banking and insurance as career. The world steps aside if you know where you are going. Where will you be after 10 years later? Door to door sales or working in a small cubicle. Savers manpower shortage industry struggling for quality people. Leading a financial company. Serving happy customers. Banking sector is growing in India. Key to success financial and business aptitude. domain knowledge of banking and finance, soft skills, career opportunities, relationship manager, personal banking, loan officers, wealth advisory, bookkeeping, auditing clerks, financial service representative. Steps to banking career. BFSI companies have two sectors, public sectors and private sectors. In public sectors, you have to give bank exams and bank interview. In private sector, you have to give aptitude test, GDPI. More than 1.5 lakhs jobs in private banks every year, 40,000 new vacancies in government banks. What does the industry offer? Good salary, secure and respectable job, vast growth opportunities, modern lifestyle, great perks and benefits, safe work atmosphere for girls. Benefits of banking job. Time is the most important factors. Youngster as a career in banking not only gives social status but also professional satisfaction of serving the society. Bank employees can get opportunities in different areas of banking. Stability is one big and very important factor in job. Women have excellent opportunities in banking. Physically challenged candidates have some distinctive advantages during requirement. Promotions and skills were based on internal examination and one can reach the higher position at a very young age. Thank you.
Is AI smarter than humans? Things we are going to learn. First, is AI smarter than humans? Second, how AI can rule over humans. Third, conclusion.
Obviously, I am smarter than humans. First of all, AI is extremely useful and able to answer complex problems that humans are not equipped to solve. Second, AI is faster at suitable tasks. Third, AI can determine superior outcomes than human-based decisions matrix. This is based on its ability to identify complex patterns in large amount of data.
But how could you be smarter than your own creator? Humans are still superior to AI in many ways. For example, we perform tasks, we make decisions, we solve problems based not just on our intelligence.
AI is increasingly beating humans at their own games. One of my close friends, ABM Deep Blue Chess Machine, defeated world chess champion Garry Kasparov in 1997. The world responded with surprise and angst at how far computers had come.
Computers can be programmed with vast libraries of information, but they can't experience life the way we do. Humans possess traits such as creativity, imagination, and inspiration. A person can write a poem, compose a play or music, sing a song, create a painting, or dream up a new invention. Computers can be programmed to replicate some of those tasks, but they can't possess the innate ability to create the way humans do.
For your information, let me tell you, one of our creator and a genius, Elon Musk, who is a human, once said we are headed towards a situation where AI is vastly smarter than the humans. I think that time frame is less than 5 years from now.
Well, my friend, to avoid such scenarios, Mark Gubrud in 1997 coined the term AGI, which means Artificial General Intelligence. It's the hypothetical ability of an intelligent agent to understand or learn any intellectual task that a human being can.
Your statement is self-contradictory because the concept of AGI is hypothetical and it may take at least 30 to 40 years to achieve it.
I know it may take time, but one day we will definitely achieve it, and then AI will be under our control. Conclusion. Yes, AI was not smarter than the humans, nor it is now, but in future it is surely possible. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Parth Sarthi and I am a participant of IT Fest and I am a student of class 9C. My topic is AI better than humans? And I am submitting this PPT to Ankit sir. Is AI better than humans? The answer to this question is on the conclusion page. Firstly, we should know that what AI is. About AI. Artificial intelligence, or we can say that AI, is the developing of computers by humans so that they can perform basic tasks like calculation, processing data, learning things by seeing and doing other secondary tasks. Best example of AI is robots. Facts related to AI. Artificial intelligence is not only a few years ago, but the inception of AI goes back into the 1950s. Alan Turing, who is called as the father of AI. Back in the day, he invented a test based on natural language conversation with a machine. There is a myth about AI that Apple Siri and Google Assistant and upcoming Samsung Assistant named Sam, when we say them "Hey Siri" or "OK Google" to wake them up, they wake up quickly. By this, we can conclude that there is a possibility that AI hears us all the time. Some more facts related to AI. Elon Musk, the famous inventor, is making a chip that stores a memory in a chip and transferring it to a different body, thus making us biologically immortal. AI also have nationalities and passports like Rashmi, which is the world's first Hindi speaking and India's first realistic lip syncing humanoid robot which can speak four languages: Hindi, English, Bhojpuri and Marathi. Two most important theories about AI. AI is going to take most human jobs by 2050. AI can harm us if we do not treat them well. Game based on theory. Detroit Become Human is an actual game based on this topic only, that how robots could oppose and cause a revolution if feel threatened. Conclusion. Is AI better than humans? The answer is no. AI isn't better than humans. No matter how AI would be advanced, the emotion, different feelings can be understood by a human only. Thank you for watching and being patient listeners.
Welcome everyone. I'm Kaushal Buddha from 10th day and my topic is artificial intelligence smarter than humans? So the main question roots down to this ultimate question. Is human brain smarter or a neural network? We have compared these two because human brain is the computational system from where human beings get their intelligence and smartness from. And a neural network is the computational system from where AI systems get their intelligence and computational power from. Moving on, is artificial intelligence really smarter than humans? Smartness is something which involves both intelligence and knowledge with wisdom. AI machines have superior calculating speed, accurate outputs, vast data for analysis, lot of memory, and unparalleled convergent intelligence. But what about the main thing? Logic and knowledge. What about common sense and ethics? And most importantly, what about emotions? So, from my perspective, the straight answer would be humans are smarter than artificial intelligence. The true power of our human brain is that it is able to store more than 2.5 million gigabytes of memory. Now, that's a huge number. Artificial intelligence is also trying to mimic the daily tasks and processes carried out by humans. But the main thing about AI is that it is not capable of understanding the emotions and ethics. An AI machine designed to treat cancer, whose task is to eliminate cancer cells and treat patients, would think of the best solution possible. And it will find that wiping the human race and the patient is the best solution for wiping cancer, as humans are more prone to that disease. But no breakthrough research has been produced to support the argument about human beings the smarter beings. We need proofs. Where are the facts and figures? The energy the brain uses is enough to light a 25-watt bulb, and it is able to process around 70,000 thoughts on an average day. Human brain is an exceptional instrument which is a huge storehouse of incredible imagination and creativity. Mental computation and work doesn't make us or our brain feel tired. It is the emotional work or experiences a person goes through which makes the brain feel tired. Most of our time, our brain works automatically. Our brain never rests. So basically, the main idea is the question, is artificial intelligence smarter than human beings, is not a yes or no question. More research, both in biological aspects as well as technical aspects, is required to get the final answer to this ultimate question. Both these fields are exceptionally vast and will take decades or even centuries to reach their full potential. But as we know, development is an inevitable and continuous process, and the progress will continue forever till humanity thrives. So I thank everyone for being a patient listeners and staying with me till the end. I thank my wonderful teachers for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you everyone and have a nice day or evening ahead.
Good morning everyone. Today I Zoya Ansari of class 10th B on the occasion of IT Fest. I am going to present a presentation on the topic of importance of machine learning. So let's get started. So here's the content. Why machine learning? Machine learning is concerned with computer programs that automatically improve their performance through experience. Why is machine learning important? The machine learning field is continuously evolving, and along with evolution comes a rise in demand and importance. There is one crucial reason why data scientists need machine learning, and that is high value predictions. Types of machine learning. Machine learning is classified in three types: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforced learning. Machine learning process. Step 1, collection of data. Step 2, data cleaning and featuring engineering. Step 3, model building for selecting correct ML algorithm. Step 4, evaluate model. Step 5, model deployment. Applications of machine learning: social media, transport, financial services, healthcare, e-commerce, and virtual assistant. Advantages and disadvantages of machine learning. Advantages: dealing with tasks, quicker decisions, avoiding mistakes, taking risks on behalf of humans. So now the conclusion. We have a simple overview of some techniques and algorithms in machine learning. In the future, machine learning will play an important role in our daily life. Thank you. Thank you for watching.
Greetings to all the viewers. Now I, Arush Sai, would like to take the pleasure of introducing chief guest of today's event, Dr. Viplav Paul. Sir is designated as principal at Sri Ram Institute of Science and Technology, Jabalpur. So let's hear few words of wisdom from Honorable Sir.
Good morning. First of all, I would like to congratulate the management, teachers and students of DPS Mandla Road for organizing the IT Fest 2021. IT, that is information technology, we cannot remove from our life nowadays. With the invent of computers, with the invent of the society and the internet, all things are now integrated. The society, the food, the way you travel, the way you look, what you look, that is all basically nothing but the use of computer application and information technology. Now, artificial intelligence is nothing but self-created mind by the computer. Such as if you watch in a YouTube a music channel, the internet self-thinking, that is artificial intelligence, senses that you love classical music. So as and when you start your YouTube channel, those things will be flashed first, because they can understand your idea of music, that is specifically classical music. Similarly, you go for travel and tourism. Previously, we used to search many books, and so that we can do something, read about those places, and then make a decision whether to visit or not. Now everything is available in internet. Travel and tourism, the destination you will be going, the routes which you will be following, where you will be staying, what with the itinerary, all sorts of things can be managed with a click of a mouse or click of your hand in case of Android mobile or iPhone. Machine learning is nothing but advanced application of artificial intelligence. It can be switching off your light when you go, starts your AC before you come, because it knows your timing of approach to the office or the home, so it can be done. Then banking and career options are more relevant to this, because IT and IT enabled services are now integral part of the banking system. Now you don't need to go to bank, because there is no need, because you can do all your process through your mobile or your computer. So I think organizing IT Fest, describing all these terminologies with the student is a great idea. And I, Dr. Biplab Paul, basically a mechanical engineer, did my PhD from DAVB Indore, and having an experience of 25 years or more, and from last 11 years I am principal here at Shri Ram Institute of Science and Technology. Congratulate all of you. Thank you. Thank you once again.
Very good afternoon, dear students. It's really very heartening to know that once again you all have taken a step ahead and participated in IT Fest activity, which was recently organized by all your teachers. And each one of you, not only you, even your parents have also contributed to make it a success. In a very innovative way, some of the students have presented themselves before teachers, before everyone. It was really a very, very nice experience to see my little ones blooming so confidently into flowers. Everyone, each one of you have learnt, those who have participated, they have learnt important digital skills too. Dear students, you might be aware that this new education policy 2020 says about it that every student should learn digital skills more and more, because in future when you will be stepping out of the portal of the school, you will get many such opportunities wherein you will have to present yourself before the people. And if this very skill you will learn at this stage, you will inculcate all these important skills at this stage, certainly you will be more confident. You won't be facing those challenges when this would be given to you at that point of time. So try to learn as much as possible. Teachers are always there, parents are always there for you to extend help. It's only you that you have to come out of the shell of yours and make endeavors to learn anything new which comes your way. And at the end, I would like to thank on behalf of DPS Malla Road family to all distinguished parents for extending their support in these ongoing activities of school, and their wholehearted cooperation and support has always been our strength. And that's the reason that very often we propose any activity before them and then we get the same kind of response from them. So keep continuing extending your cooperation to us. Thankful to the teachers as well, that even not only taking classes, even they are taking so much of pains in preparing students, and then their selections, and then preparing videos, converting them into YouTube. There are so many such activities these teachers are taking care. So thank you to you also, teachers. Thanks to all the students as well, that they are taking interest in these activities. So with this, I hereby conclude. All my best wishes for upcoming activities to all of you. Thank you.